Welcome, in front of me is a SONY Xperia Z5 Premium, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. Now to get started, all you need to do is pull down your notification panel and look for the toggle, which for me is right over here. Once you find it, you can tap on it, and this will give you two options, so no time limit or for a specific amount of time, which is by default 1 hour, so you can increase it if you want to. And right here at the top we have the two options. We have total silence, alarms only, and priority. Now when you tap right here on priority, you can also access the customization section, which will allow you to basically customize who can call you, who can message you, and so on. So you can go through it and set it up to be the way you want it to be. And from there you can tap on the toggle, select done, and there we go, it's enabled. So that is basically how you would enable it and set it up. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.